Hey YouTube, third video, my little sister's being weird. So this is my cat, Bambi. Lacey, stay out there. This is my putty cat, Bambi. I call her a putty cat. She's so beautiful. There she is, there's that beautiful Bambi. See her beautiful face? She's so cute. My little crazy sister is walking around in her underwear, which that ain't right. I'm not going to point the camera out because that is just weird. How bad is that way so you can see me better? That is much better. And my hat is the wrong way around. I always have it like this. The second video I didn't. I realised at the end of the video I was going to remake it, but I couldn't be bothered. So the next video is going to be pointless, I'll tell you that much. So this video is just my cat Bambi. Yep, she's a beautiful cat. I love her so much. Okay, see you in the fourth video.